Hello and welcome to Bytes Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier to convert your PDF files in Dropbox to CSV format and then upload those CSV files back to Dropbox using pdf.co. So the first step here is to sign into your Zapier account. If you do not have already made your Zapier account, I will provide a link to the video in the description of this video, and you can use that video to see how you can connect your Zapier account with pdf.co. So coming back, let's sign into our Zapier account. So click here, continue, enter password. You will be obviously using your own account. Click continue, and you will be presented with Zapier dashboard. So here what we want is we want to convert PDF files in Dropbox to CSV using pdf.co. So our first app will be Dropbox here, and the second app will be pdf.co, because pdf.co is the service that will be converting our PDF files into CSV format.co. What we want is we have to specify the trigger here. Our trigger is that whenever a file is uploaded to a folder in Dropbox, convert that file to CSV using pdf.co. So the action will be PDF to anything converter. Next, click use Zap. Here you have to specify your Dropbox account, PDF accounts and the folders. So our Dropbox account will be this. You will be using your own Dropbox account. Next, the folder that will be containing my PDF files is custom dataset folder. You can specify your own folder. Next, my PDF account is this. Again, you will need to specify your own PDF account. And finally, the output format of the file will be CSV. So I select CSV, separate view files as my output format. Next, we have to go to advanced mode, because once the files are converted into CSV format, we have to upload them back to Dropbox. So we'll go to advanced mode. So we have Dropbox. The Dropbox files will be converted into CSV using this pdf.co. And then finally, we want to upload our files back to Dropbox. So let's first test this trigger, if our Dropbox is being accessed or not. So click test trigger. So it shows that pdf.co is successfully accessing the Dropbox account. Next, click continue. Here we have pdf.co to anything. Click continue. We have to select our pdf.co account. Again, click continue. So the output format is comma separated values. And here the file name is cover letter, the file that is detected by default. Simply click continue. We have to test again here if the pdf.co is successfully converting our files to CSV format or not. So test and continue. So you can see success symbol here. So our file is successfully being converted to CSV. Next, we want to upload the CSV file back to Dropbox. So here we will click the Dropbox again, and we will have to specify the folder that will contain the file. We want that the CSV file created in the last step, it should be uploaded to Dropbox. So click upload file, click continue. Again, we have to specify the account, our Dropbox account. Again, click continue. And there we have to specify the folder in which the converted file will reside. So we use the same folder that contains our PDF file. This folder will contain our CSV file. So click custom folder. We want that the CSV file converted by pdf.co should be uploaded here. So pdf.to anything converter, we select this option. And you can select the cover letter, because this is our original file. You can specify the file name if you want your file name to have a different name, and then simply click continue. To test if your CSV file is successfully being uploaded to Dropbox, you have to test this trigger. And you can see this trigger is also successful. So at the end, you have to turn on your Zap. So you can click this part, turning on your Zap. And then you have to click share. Here you can give any name and description to your Zap. So here you see the default name and description for your trigger. You can rename it anything. I will just put XXX, and then again here XXX to give it a proper name, and then click save button. So this shows that your Zapier name should not be offensive. So according to Zapier, our name is offensive. We change it to maybe ABCD. That will not be offensive, I think, I hope. Again ABCD, and then click save. Yes, your Zap has been created, and that's it. Simply click cross, and that's it. So your Zap is turned on. So now if you upload any file here in your custom Redset folder, any PDF file, that will be automatically converted into CSV format. So this is how you can create a Zap which converts PDF files in your Dropbox to CSV and uploads them back to your Dropbox account. So thank you for watching.